welcome to the Bedford Life and Company. My name is Alexis and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy homemade vegetable stock with just a few simple ingredients and leftover veggie scraps. So put your aprons on and let's get started. If you're new to the channel, I would love if you could hit the subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, well then you're probably noticing the very obvious. I am not wearing glasses because I celebrated my 27th birthday for the 14th time and decided to get contacts. So if you see me blinking excessively, I'm really not trying to send you some like secret message through YouTube. Go to our Patreon. Go to thebedfordlife.com. That was my Morse code. I just am trying to get used to them, so bear with me. You ready, Dad?
Okay.
So I have to tell you, up until recently, I have been buying vegetable stock at the grocery store, and I use it in so many of my recipes. It's incredibly versatile, but I have to say, now that I know how to make it, I will never ever go back to the grocery store and buy vegetable stock.
Here's what you'll need: carrots, onions, celery with the leaves on, and this is almost a head of garlic. Scraps from throughout the week, and salt. You can always add more salt later, by the way.
So throughout the week when I'm cooking, I keep all of my vegetable scraps. Everything from carrots to onions, garlic, asparagus. I keep everything in a Ziploc bag. I even incorporate some vegetables that are like looking a little sad, that are on their way out, into the stock. Of course you don't want to use like anything rotten, but if you have a carrot that's looking a little like meh, or some spinach that's on its way out, feel free to put that in also. I want to mention that you should be a little cautious when dealing with cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. Of course you can incorporate them into your broth, but I would just make sure that you don't use too much of them because it does change the flavor. Here's what I especially love about making homemade vegetable stock. I don't have to go through the process of skinning the carrots or the potatoes or the garlic or the onions. Everything goes directly into the pot and it needs to simmer for about 2 to 3 hours. In more than one instance, I can tell you that I've bought garlic and brought it home, and when I open it up, it doesn't have those beautiful big cloves that are really easy to work with when cooking. You get like a ton of these tiny little pieces and they're incredibly annoying to work with. So when I get a head of garlic that's like that, I set that one aside and put it in the freezer and use it for my stock. I'm just gonna strain it here through a regular pasta strainer because that's what I have, but you could always use a sieve, and if you wanted to strain everything out of it, all the vegetable particles and all the little herb particles, you could always use cheesecloth. Onion skins are what make the broth so beautiful and a brown color. Once it's cooled down, I just store it in a glass ball jar in the refrigerator. It will last about a week. If you wanted to store it in the freezer, it would last about 6 months, but I want to show you a little hack. See that? Those are vegetable stock cubes. I can just take 1 or 2 of the ice cubes of vegetable stock out and throw them right in the pan. It's a great way to kick up the flavor. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the description box below for links to our Patreon page and PayPal. In addition, you can find direct links to all of the products and merchandise we feature in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, hope to see you soon. Bye.